Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download Minecraft for free on PS5. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. On your PS5 home screen, navigate to search and press X to open it. Here, type Minecraft. You will find lots of versions of Minecraft. You need to select and open this one. This is Minecraft Standard Edition. Select Download Trial and press X to start downloading it. It's around 1 GB in size, so downloading will take time depending on your internet speed. Once done, select Play Trial button. This will open the game. On this screen, select Play button. Next, navigate to Create New World button and press X. Select Difficulty and then select Create. Now play the game. As it's a trial version, it offers 5 in-game days, which is about 90 to 100 minutes of gameplay in survival mode, with no online multiplayer, LAN and realms access. So enjoy the free Minecraft on PS5. In case after finishing the trial, if you find this game interesting and would like to purchase the full version, then don't buy it from in-game settings. From there, the cost will be around $29.99 for Deluxe Collection, which gives access to game in PS4 and PS5, 5 maps, 5 persona items, 3 modes, 3 skin packs, 1 texture pack and 1600 tokens. If you don't care about these things, then you can buy the standard edition of the Minecraft just for $19.99. For that, head over to PS5 home screen. Select Minecraft. Here on the right side, you will see this option to purchase Minecraft Standard Edition. Select and press X and complete the purchase from here. I hope this helps. If you have any query related to this video, then drop in the comments. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for more similar videos. Thanks for watching.